My favourite thing in the world to crochet is plushies. So today I'm going to spread the plushie love around, and I have 50 crocheted plushie patterns. So how this is going to work, I'm going to show a picture of the crochet project here, and I'm going to have a number in the corner over here. This number will correspond to a number in the description, which will have a link to the pattern. Some of these are video tutorials, some of them are written patterns, and all of them are free. So let's get into the patterns. The first pattern is a Waffle the Chubby Bear. Such a cute name for such a cute pattern. He's so round, he's so squishy, he's definitely on my list of things to make. Next pattern is this adorable bee. Now, as you probably know, bees are an extremely popular thing to crochet, but this here is a bit of a different take on the bee. It's sitting up and it's round. I just love round plushies, they just remind me of Squishmallows. Next we have this cute little frog in a party hat. Now, I recently made a whole video about crochet frog patterns, but I only just found this pattern the other day and it's so cute, I had to include it. Next we have Snug the Snuggle Slug. I love all the different expressions that they have. I need my own little family of them. Then we have this very colourful caterpillar. I'm loving the rainbow look, absolutely adorable. And you could always pick and choose your own colours and make whatever colour caterpillar you like. Next we have this duck in a hat. I actually thought it was a goose. I don't know what the difference between gooses and ducks is. I thought gooses were the ones with long necks, but maybe I'm wrong. Either way, this creature is looking so stylish in its hat. So cute. And next we have our first not animal pattern. It's a rainbow. It's so adorable. Look at its little smile. Of course, if you just want a rainbow without a face, you can do that as well. I love the little clouds on the end. Now we have a no-sew mushroom. I've recently really been enjoying no-sew patterns. They just make life so much easier. And these little mushrooms are just so cute. I want to make a bunch of purple ones and make a little fairy garden out of them. Speaking of gardens, we have a plant. This is called a snake plant. In my opinion, it doesn't really look anything like a snake, but it does look extremely cute, so I am a fan. I like how it has like the long leaves with the different colour edging around them. So I have another plant. This one is a heart plant. I don't know if heart plants actually exist. Like, do any plants grow in the shape of hearts? Or is it just like those hedges that people cut into the shape of hearts? Either way, it doesn't really matter because you can just crochet one. This one also has a cute little flower on the top of its head. Speaking of flowers, we have some crochet flowers. I'm just really smooth with these transitions today. Now, I was impressed by these tulips because most tulip crochet patterns you see have some kind of stem that's like a pipe cleaner or a piece of wire or a skewer or something, which makes it a little difficult to hug. But these ones have a completely crocheted stem, so you can hug it as much as you like without getting poked. I love the colours of these. I especially like that little one and how it has a face. Now we have another flower with a face. This one is a daisy. It looks exactly like my bum bum flowers, which is to say I love it. I feel like I really need more flowers with faces in my life. That's why we have even more flowers with faces. We've got sunflowers with faces. Well, these sunflowers just have eyes, but you could embroider a smile if you'd like the smile, or you could keep them with just eyes. Now we have a pattern that had my jaw on the floor when I saw it. It's a little flower fairy. This is a carnation flower fairy and it is so pretty. It's so pretty. I love it so much. I'm kind of thinking I might make like a whole bouquet of flower fairies. Next I have another fairy pattern. This one isn't described as a flower fairy, it's described as an autumn fairy. But I'm thinking that fairy would look real good in a purple dress. Or if you did it in like a pink dress, it could be like a cherry blossom fairy. Even though I've crocheted like hundreds of plushies in my life, I've never actually crocheted any like human plushies. I guess fairies aren't exactly human, but they're like basically human as compared to like a flower. Anyway, the point I was trying to make is I think this will be my first human. It will be my first time attempting crocheting hair. I'm a bit nervous, but this looks like a good tutorial, so I'm excited. Now, when I make this fairy, it's definitely going to need a friend, and this is the perfect friend for it. Don't you think these patterns look so perfect together? Anyway, this fawn is like one of the prettiest plushies I've ever seen. It's just so gorgeous. It's just so delicate and dainty. Next, we have a baby squirrel in an acorn box. Do I need to say anything else? Yes, I do actually. Okay, so this pattern, the link I have links to a video that just shows off the squirrel in the acorn box. But what you have to do is you have to go to the description, and then the description contains 2 pattern links, one to the baby squirrel and one to the acorn box. So it's a little bit of a treasure hunt, but I think the treasure is worth it. I kind of just want to make like a bunch of acorn boxes, and I'll make them in big yarn with a big hook so they're like quite big, and then I'll put squishmallows in them. Next we have an adorable capybara. I always associate capybaras with like woodland animals. However, I don't actually know what their like natural habitat is. is I just always see them like chilling in hot springs. Anyway, it doesn't really matter where they actually live because I'm going to make a bunch and they're going to live in my room. Next pattern is this mermaid. I love her rainbow hair. I love her tail. Maybe if I can get the hair right on the fairy, I'll be able to get the rainbow hair right on the mermaid. Continuing with our mermaid theme, we have some crochet seashells. Make some seashells to be friends with your mermaid. These seashells are like the cutest little things. Now we've got a little crochet stingray. What a cute little fellow. This is another one I want to make with some big yarn and a big crochet hook so I can hug it and it can hug me back with its flippers. So I've got another sea creature, this whale. It's just such a beautiful shape. Like, look at it. Like, it's just really making me appreciate whales as creatures in general. Next is a cute little crab. The eyes on this are so cute. I also love its little claws and its little smile. Everything about it is just so cute. Pattern number 24, I have an alligator for you. Its name is Abner the alligator. I don't think I've ever heard that name before. But anyway, it's so round and chunky. It's just such a cute shape. Also, what is the difference between an alligator and a crocodile? Is there a difference or is it just a different name for the same creature? Moving on to this triceratops. Now, I have seen a lot of crochet triceratops, but this one really captured me because look at the way they've done its nose. Its whole face shape is like a moon. It's really, really cool. Now, the one thing I will say about this pattern is it takes forever to load. Don't ask me why. I think because it's like a PDF. It could just be my internet. Maybe it'll be fine for you. But there's your warning if it seems like it's not working. Now we have a pattern called the pocket dragon. As you've probably guessed, it's designed to fit in your pocket. And oh my gosh, that would be such a good little friend to carry around. It's so adorable. I love its horns. I love its wings. Dragons are just really great creatures. Now we have another frog. Yes, I did do a frog earlier, but this one's a strawberry frog. I'm sure you can see why this is such a great pattern. It's a strawberry and a frog combined and I love it. Now our next pattern is another food animal combination. We've got ice cream narwhal. They've got two different variations here and you could make whatever variation you like. They're so cute. I like how their horns are like the cones of the ice cream. I also love their little cheeks. So cute. And now we have a third animal slash food pattern. It's called a cupcake octopus. I thought these octopus were actually also ice creams, but they can be cupcakes. They can be whatever dessert you like. Oh my gosh, that purple one would fit in so well with my purple octopus squishmallow family. So now we're going to move into some food plushies. These are just food plushies that are not food cross animal plushies. They're just foods. First of all, we've got s'mores. I'm gonna be honest, I don't think I've ever had a s'more in my life. I don't even really know what they are. I think it's just like biscuits, chocolate, and a marshmallow. Am I right? Somebody tell me what s'mores actually are in the comments. Next, we have some chocolate strawberries. Well, one of them's a chocolate strawberry and one of them's a strawberry. You can make it either way and it can be friends with your strawberry frog friend. Next, we have this beautiful rainbow birthday cake. If you have a friend who has a birthday coming up, you don't know what to get them, just crochet them this cake. You can do the rainbow layers in their favorite colors and make it all customized to them. Now the final food pattern is not really food. It's a food container. Okay, it's not really a food container, it's a beverage container. I'm going to stop trying to describe this and just show you. It's a tea set. Crochet it and you can have a little tea party. Okay, so now we're going to move back to some more animals. There are a lot of great animal patterns out there and I just really have to share these cute ones with you. Like this cute cow. This crochet cow is so cute. They've done this one with blue accents. You could do it with purple accents or whatever your favorite color is. I'd recommend purple. Next we have a goat. Specifically it is a zodiac goat, but I just thought it was cute as a goat. It's just got such a cute little face. Also, if you want some more patterns, because you know I don't have enough in this video, they actually have all 12 of the zodiac animals and they're all so cute. This is a groundbreaking crochet pattern. It's a flying pig in sunglasses. It's honestly really inspiring me to just make little crochet sunglasses and little wings for all my crochet plushies. It's just such a vibe. Now if you don't know, I have a pet corgi. She is currently sleeping on my floor. Normally she likes to interrupt me while I'm filming videos, but the one video I need her, she is fast asleep on the floor. I was gonna get her up here to show you this adorable corgi plushie. Not only is it an adorable corgi, it's actually two adorable corgis because it's a flippable corgi, a reversible corgi. It looks like a silly corgi and a sleepy corgi, which honestly is her two moods. I was kind of including the corgi pattern for myself, so I thought I'd include another dog pattern, which is a sausage dog. Everyone loves sausage dogs. They have long bodies and long ears and they're just so funny. Half my TikTok For You page is just like sausage dogs doing funny things. It's a great time. Okay, so the rest of the patterns in this video are going to be popular characters. I've got characters from video games, characters from TV shows, just like cute characters that you see all over your TikTok For You page and you're like, like, yeah, I'd really like to crochet that. First of all, we have Kirby, the adorable pink blob. This Kirby is riding on a star and he just looks so cute. Even if you've never even played a Kirby game, I'm sure you can appreciate how cute he is. Next, we have a star. Okay, so this one's kind of a character pattern, but kind of not. So it does look like the Super Mario stars, but also if you just want to crochet some stars, it's a great pattern. Continuing on with some Nintendo characters, we have Yoshi. You know, there's a whole Yoshi game called Yoshi's Woolly World, where the Yoshi is crocheted and the whole world is woolen. If you like crocheting and you want to get into video games, that would be a good starting spot. Next, we have a Pikachu. This is a particularly round Pikachu. It looks so adorable. I'm planning on making a Pokemon crochet ideas video with patterns to crochet lots of different Pokemon, so if you like Pokemon, look forward to that. If you just can't wait, I do have one more Pokemon pattern in this video. It's a Pokeball. This tutorial is also very in-depth for how you can get like the perfect roundness of a Pokeball, which is really handy if you just want to learn how to make like round shapes for your own crochet patterns. Okay, moving on to a few Disney characters. We've got Winnie the Pooh, one of my faves. He looks extra cute in this pattern. Then we have my actual fave Disney character of all time, Mike Wazowski. He's so funny, he's so cute, and this pattern makes him look even cuter. Okay, next pattern, I don't know if this is Disney. Well, it is Disney. Star Wars is Disney, but it's kind of not. I mean, it is. It's just owned by Disney now. Anyway, it's Baby Yoda. Super adorable pattern. I don't know if people are still into Baby Yoda now. I mean, how could you not be? It's pretty cute. Next pattern is Miffy. I actually don't know if Miffy's like a TV character or a book character. I don't know where Miffy came from, but she's all over my TikTok For You page, which I'm not really complaining about because she's really cute. And this plushie looks really cute too. Then we have Totoro, looking extra cute with a little friend on his head. I feel like such a fake Totoro fan because I can't remember what those little friends are called. Oh, it's just called Chibi Totoro. What? Is he in the movie? I'm confused. Someone explain Totoro lore to me. I'm lost. So this next pattern I'm really a fake fan of because I don't know who this guy is. Well, I do know his name is Pochita and he's a cartoon character in something called Chainsaw Man. Haven't seen it, don't know anything about it, but I do know every time I go onto Twitter I see cute art of this cute little guy. So I thought I'd show this pattern in case there are any fans of this character out there because they seem to be everywhere. Which I mean, I kind of understand. It's very cute. And then the final pattern of today, we have Bluey. I love Bluey. Best TV show I've watched this year. If you haven't watched Bluey, I don't care how old you are, you will enjoy it. This is a Bluey pattern, but you could also turn this into a bingo pattern if you just use bingo colours. And that is all our patterns. Oh, now you're awake. You're gonna come and say hello to everyone? What did you think of the reversible corgi? Did you like it? Did you think it looks like you? Well, I hope that you enjoyed seeing all these crochet plushies. I hope there's something on the list that gets you inspired to crochet a plushie. If you have any particular like themes of crochet patterns that you are looking for, let me know and I might make a video on it. I'm currently planning a Pokemon one and a Disney one. I'll also be doing a bunch of Halloween ones in October. So lots more crochet patterns to come. So yeah, if you like these kind of videos, you can look forward to that. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this one. I hope you're having a nice day and I will see you again very soon. Bye!